The Messages app in Dubsado 3.0 is your centralized hub for all contact communications. Let's explore how this powerful tool streamlines your client conversations and keeps everything organized in one place. When you open Messages from the main navigation, you'll see all your message threads across every project, plus any threads not assigned to specific projects. Here's how email forwarding works in Dubsado. When you receive an email, that email only imports into Dubsado if the sender's email address matches an existing contact in your workspace. Emails from other senders won't appear until you add them as a contact in Dubsado. This keeps your inbox focused on actual client communications. When you navigate to Messages, you'll first land on your inbox. This view contains all your unarchived threads where you've received at least one message from a contact. Below the inbox, you'll find your Sent folder for all outgoing messages, the Archive folder for threads you've manually archived, and the Unread folder for messages that need your attention. Let's look at managing individual message threads. You can quickly reply to a message by typing into the composer at the bottom of a thread. Drafts of replies are saved automatically. At the top of each thread, you'll see several action icons in the top right corner. The envelope icon lets you toggle between marking a message as read or unread, helpful for staying organized when you need to return to something later. The archive icon moves the entire thread to your archive folder, keeping your inbox clean while preserving the conversation history. And the trash can icon permanently deletes the entire thread if you no longer need it. If a thread isn't assigned to a project, click Add a Project to assign the thread to an existing project. With a project assigned, you can hover over the project name to see a preview of its details. Assign a thread to the wrong project? You can reassign or remove the project assignment anytime by clicking the ellipsis next to the project name. This flexibility means you can keep conversations organized even as projects evolve. At the top of any folder view, you have powerful filtering tools. Sort by date, search by subject, filter by sender, project, or date range. You can also filter specifically by read status to quickly find messages that need attention. Now let's compose a new message. Click the Compose button in the top left. The Composer window is flexible. You can drag it around your screen or use the Minimize and Maximize buttons in the top right to manage your workspace while writing. First, add your recipient by clicking Add. You can select existing contacts or type new email addresses. Add CC recipients if needed. Next, assign this message to a project. This enables powerful features like project links and scheduled sending. Let's type a quick message. Notice the toolbar at the bottom. Click the Smart Fields icon to insert project details or other client-specific information. These automatically populate based on your selected contact and project. The toolbar also contains formatting options like bold, italics, or font options, as well as lists, tables, and even inline images. Everything you need for professional emails. Now here's where it gets really streamlined. Click the Project Links icon. Since we've assigned a project, you can insert direct links to forms, contracts, invoices, or schedulers right into your email. Before we send, let's explore custom templates. These are templates you create and customize for your specific needs. Type an email once, and you can use it over and over again. Click the plus icon to create a new template. You can add a subject line, write your message content, and include smart fields that will automatically populate when you use the template. We won't save this one now, but you can see how straightforward the process is. Let's select an existing template and make a small change. Click Save, and your template is instantly updated. If you need to create variations of an existing template, use the duplicate icon in the top right to make a copy of the template to use as your starting point. And to remove a template you no longer need, click the trash can icon. You can sort your templates alphabetically by title or subject using the drop-down options at the top of the template list. The filter button lets you search templates by keywords in their title, body, or subject. Perfect when you have many templates to manage. Now, let's head back to our new email. Click Templates and select the template we just edited. Your template content appears instantly, and since the client and project are already selected, the smart fields now show actual client and project data. Selecting your client and project before you choose a template ensures all smart fields populate correctly with the right information. To send, click the green Send button. But here's a great feature. Click the up arrow next to Send to schedule your email. You can always choose next Monday at 9 a.m., and your other preset option will depend on whether it's currently before or after 1 p.m. You can also set a custom time of your choosing. Remember, scheduled send only works when your email is assigned to a project. Now let's look at default templates in the sidebar. These are different from custom templates. They're system generated for automated communications like appointment confirmations, payment reminders, and contract notifications. You can customize these to match your brand voice while maintaining their automated functionality. Finally, navigate to settings in the sidebar. This is where you connect your email account through Google, Microsoft, or SMTP. You can also enable the tracking pixel, which allows you to see if a client has read your sent emails, and you can create and edit your email signature. Having these settings right within Messages means you never have to leave this area to manage your email configuration. Whether you're managing conversations across multiple projects, using templates for efficiency, or scheduling emails for perfect timing, everything you need is right here.